If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Experience powerful blending and chopping in the palm of your hand with the KitchenAid 3-speed hand blender. Puree, crush, chop, and whisk using the simple one-touch control. The splash guard increases airflow and helps prevent splashing, while the removable 8-inch stainless steel blending arm makes it easy to blend anywhere, even in deeper pitchers or pots. Mix and store homemade sauces or baby food purees in the 3-cup BPA-free blending jar. Cleanup is quick and easy, so you have more time to enjoy your creations. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.